Trace a 9.5-inch diameter circle. A 2-gallon bucket works well for this. Check your clay's shrinkage. If above 10%, you will need a larger diameter. Smooth out any irregularities. For the walls, begin forming coils. I am squeezing mine out of very plastic clay, but rolling can also be done in addition. Now that a bunch of coils have been made, score the top edge of the circle. Add a touch of water for very plastic clay, or slip for a bit stiffer clay. Compress the coil as you add it to the score. Continue coiling until the desired wall height is achieved. I had mine around 3¼ inches. To bow the walls outward, add the clay at an angle to the coil below. Use a serrated rib or your fingers to blend the coils in a diagonal motion. Blending in a different direction to the horizontal coils helps to spread and even out the clay particles. Use your finger or a round wooden tool to blend the seam where coil meets slab. Score at a diagonal to blend the coils with a serrated rib. Trim the unevenness of the rim. Go back and continue smoothing both interior and exterior. Trim the rim again as needed. Add more coils if too much height is lost in the cleanup process. Smooth out score marks as much as possible. However, you may have to wait until the clay is a bit stiffer to really make the surface perfect. My clay is a bit too wet to finish smoothing everything right now. Keep refining with time and patience, and you will have a finished pie plate ready to be bisqued.